The cool time of the season after the summer is perfect for growing many herbs and vegetables. Keeping that in mind, we bring you the best herbs you can grow in fall or autumn. Number 1. Parsley. This versatile herb comes in both flat and curly leaf forms. You can plant parsley year-round if you live in a frost-free climate. For colder regions, bring it indoors in winter. Number 2. Mint. In mild climates, mint grows year-round and thrives across the fall in most regions. Mint goes dormant after the first frost and arrives again in spring. In colder regions, fall is the last season before peak winter to plant it outdoors. Number 3. Sage. This classic herb can be started from seeds or cuttings anytime from spring to fall. Make sure to choose an area that receives plenty of sunlight all day long. Number 4. Thyme. This drought-tolerant perennial herb with small gray-green leaves does well in full sun. You can enjoy it in the autumn months, and if you live in a frost-free zone, continue growing it in winter. Number 5. Cilantro. This easy-to-grow annual herb is started best in spring and fall. The thin, green stems and lacy leaves taste delicious in Mexican and Indian cuisines. Number 6. Rosemary. This evergreen herb with narrow, needle-like leaves releases a sharp, pine-like fragrance. It thrives year-round in warm climates. Rosemary must be protected from freezing temps in cold areas. Number 7. CHERVIL. Sow the seeds of this annual herb in early fall in areas with mild winter. You can harvest cold-resistant leaves all winter long. Number 8. Lemon balm. The lemon-scented leaves make it a necessary addition to beverages and fruit salads. You can grow it in full sun to partial shade, and it's suitable for fall planting. Number 9. Greek oregano. Oregano can be planted in fall. It doesn't always overwinter, so plant new seedlings every spring. Harvest frequently for the best growth and taste. Number 10. Lavender. While growing lavender in the fall, try to plant 6 to 8 weeks before the expected frost date in your area. To protect the plant in its first winter, mulch in late fall with a layer of straw. Also, the winter is the best time to grow it in warm climates. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.